Welcome back to Birds of Guyana. This is Leon Moore, our famous guide. If you want to go to Suriname or Guyana for birding, that's the place. This is the Atta Rainforest Walkway, where we spent the next couple days and saw a bunch of great birds. Some of these I've shown you before, but the black nunbird didn't get a great picture, but it was really an interesting bird. The red and green macaws I still love, and there's a bunch of pictures. They were really kind of showing off, so I did the best I could to catch them in a moment. Here's one coming up I didn't even realize I had till I got home, the OrnateHawk-Eagle. What a beautiful hawk-eagle. And then just because the black vulture, the Guyanan pup bird, two of them posed very well when we were at the top of the walkway. Unfortunately, they were quite a ways away. And also under the tree, we saw this golden-sided euphonian under a big tree on the walkway. You can see how tiny the Amazonian pygmy owl is, so I scooted in for some better pictures for you to see what a cute little bird he is. He was so patient and stood there and posed for us. We also got a brief look at the Guyanan toucanet. Beautiful bird. He was really shady, though, hard to get a great picture, but a lot of fun. This bird we saw just as the sun was starting to go down, the bay-headed tanager, lifer for me, hard to see because he was all green. And the mouse-colored antshrike, maybe not a beautiful bird, but it was so exciting to catch him because they're kind of hard to find. They're usually on the forest floor. He did pose a bit, but kind of difficult to catch.